Now, with rescue operations nearly finished, the big focus now is the distribution of the relief material that has been collected to the residents who have lost, in many cases, everything they built over their lives. The administration in parts of the state has been unable to arrange the distribution, which means that while relief is pouring in, but the trucks are getting stuck, sometimes for up to 3 whole days. The Garhwal committee is now trying to rope in volunteers to help, especially in those areas where trucks are unwilling to go for fear of getting stuck. Anand Patel reports.
Relief material at Garhwal Bhavan in Chandigarh waiting to be transported to Uttarakhand for past 3 days now. Donations in the form of flour, pulses, sugar, blankets and clothes are pouring in, but they are yet to reach the needy.
कोशिश हम कर रही हैं कि छोटा ट्रक, मिनी ट्रक हमें मिले, बड़े ट्रक वाले जाने के लिए तैयार नहीं है क्योंकि वहाँ पे बरसात का सीजन है, सड़कें टूट जाती हैं, तो हर ट्रक वाला सोच रहा है कि भाई वहाँ पे जाके हम फंस न जाए। ट्रांसपोर्टेशन हमें महंगा पड़ रहा है, 50-60 हज़ार रुपए एक ट्रक पे वहाँ तक का खर्चा आ रहा है।
3 truckloads of relief material was dispatched from Chandigarh to Uttarakhand, but it got stuck in Rudraprayag as the local administration had made no arrangement to distribute it. The Garhwal committee is now trying to rope in volunteers to distribute relief material among the villagers who have been badly affected by the floods.
यदि गवर्नमेंट के हाथ में ये देंगे तो ये प्रॉपर्ली जाएगा नहीं, जो विक्टिम है वहाँ तक पहुँचेगा नहीं है, ये हमें पूरा पता है।
क्यों ऐसा लग रहा है?
बिल्कुल हमें मालूम है, गवर्नमेंट डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट की बात करती है, कोई रोड मैप इनके पास नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है। हर साल आते हैं, हर साल आती है विपदा, हर साल आती है, ऐसी विपदा आती है, परंतु इनके पास कुछ नहीं।
Almost 200 villages of Chamoli, Rudraprayag and Uttarkashi have been devastated. To help rebuild them, people from across the country, especially those who have their roots in Uttarakhand, have pitched in. But they are disappointed by their contribution not reaching the people it is intended for. With Anand Patel in Chandigarh, Rohit Rajan, NDTV.